This is a list of 15 heavenly hotspots for cider lovers in the UK, including tours, tastings, and insights into the harvesting and fermenting processes needed to produce quality cider. 1. Sheppy Cider, Somerset. Enjoy guided tours through the orchards, cider mill, and cellars. Learn about the cider making process and taste a variety of their award-winning ciders. 2. Thatchers Cider, Somerset. Take guided tours of the orchards and cider mill, with tastings of their diverse cider range. The Railway Inn at Sandford offers a pub experience with Thatchers Ciders on tap. 3. Westons Cider, Herefordshire. Discover the historic Westons Cider mill on guided tours and learn about their traditional cider-making methods. Their scrumpy house restaurant offers a range of ciders and hearty meals. 4. Aspall Cider House, Suffolk. Tour the cider house and see how Aspall ciders are made. Discover their heritage and enjoy a tasting session of their apple-based products. 5. Cornish Orchards, Cornwall. Visit their orchards and press house, take guided tours, and enjoy tastings. The Cider Barn Cafe offers refreshments and showcases local produce. 6. Perry's Cider, Somerset. Explore their farm and enjoy guided tours followed by tastings of their ciders. The shop stocks a variety of ciders and local products. 7. Gwyn Cider, Monmouthshire. Immerse yourself in the world of Welsh cider making with guided tours of the Gwyn Orchards and cidery to learn about their production methods. 8. Dunkertons Cider, Herefordshire. Discover their organic orchards, cider house, and cellars on guided tours. Experience tastings of their unique ciders. 9. Burrow Cider, Somerset. Take a guided orchard tour, see the pressing process, and taste their traditional ciders. The farm shop offers a range of Somerset produce. 10. Gwynt Ddraig Cider, Pontypridd. Explore Gwynt Ddraig cidery and orchards with guided tours, and sample a variety of their ciders, known for their distinct flavors and craftsmanship. 11. Pilton Cider, Somerset. Discover this artisanal cidery, known for its small batch, traditional production methods, with guided tours demonstrating their natural fermentation process. 12. Harry's Cider, Somerset. Experience orchard tours and guided cider tastings, and learn about the history of cider making in Somerset. 13. The New Forest Cider, Hampshire. Explore their cider press, orchard, and traditional methods. Enjoy tastings of their refreshing ciders, or stop by the tea room for coffee and brunch. 14. Sandford Orchards, Devon. Take guided tours of their cidery and orchards and enjoy tastings of their handcrafted ciders, which showcase the flavors of Devon's apple orchards. 15. Rich's Cider, Somerset. Take tours of their orchards, cider mill, and heritage museum, and enjoy tastings of their classic and innovative ciders. Do you have any cider recommendations? Tell us in the comments below.